Yo, what is cracking, gang? Today I'm going to show you guys my night routine. So basically I like to prep the trailer, fill everything up with gas, make some two-stroke oil, get some other tools that I'll need. So real quick here, let me show you guys how this works on Jobber. This is why I like Jobber. Look. Right here, look, I like that it shows you the job value. So this week, June 6th through 12th, it's looking like I'm gonna make around 2.9K, which is pretty low. I like to have it at, I've been stuck between like the 4 to 5K. So by the end of this week, I'm gonna get that to 4K. I always end up doing that for some reason. Like some clients will just want extra services, or somebody just hits me up wanting a project done. So 2.9K for the week. Now, I'm not gonna show the whole thing because it says their addresses, but you can see that I got 12 jobs for Tuesday. So basically what I'll do is I'll go through all of them to see what kind of jobs it is. Yeah, so all 12 of those are all going to be long cuts. Knowing that information, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything's got fuel. That one's got fuel right there, it's pretty good. This one right there is pretty good too. I'm gonna go ahead and put that Ego battery charged up real quick. So I try to do this I do this every night actually. I don't try to. I kind of have to do this every night because in the morning, I'm trying to get in the truck and get ready to go. I'm not trying to do none of this in the morning. So my next video is gonna be, I'm gonna do a tool haul so you guys can check out all my tools. Go ahead and throw this in here. That right there. So now, when this is full, I'll just go ahead and throw it in my truck. Then when that's full, I'll take it to the mulch site. So then I'll just check all of this right here. This is halfway, so I can fill these up right here and that right there. But that's pretty much it. And one of the jobs for tomorrow is gonna be a big property, so I gotta take both of these, which is why it's already here. I've been using this one, been back to using this one. It's a residential mower, but this one's still a beast. I gotta change the spark plugs to make it stronger. Then, yeah, this is my very first zero turn right here. And man, it's still keeping up. This is a good one right here. For residential, it's not bad. I'm gonna check right now if those are filled up with gas. Then that should be it. I got the hedge trimmer attachment right there that goes on this weed whacker. So yeah, that's basically it. I do this every single night. So the next morning you hook up to my truck and it's all ready to go. I'll go ahead and grab that battery. I'll make 3 rolls of the weed whacker string, put it in my back pocket. If I have to, I'll make some 2-stroke oil mix real quick. This is the premium fuel. I got that right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw, this is where I got my waters right here. My worker got me this sun hat right here, man. This one's a beast, actually. I like it. I've been wearing it recently. Instead of the other one that I used to have, I've been rocking that one. Then right here, I gotta make sure these are charged up. If not, it gets boring mowing without music. This is my little cooler right here. I just gotta make sure these are cold right here. Go ahead and throw these in here so they can get cold by tomorrow. Oh, this one's still pretty full, so I'm good. This one, I'm gonna have to make some of this. Yeah, so this one's pretty low, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the weed whackers and the blower. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some of this premium fuel in there. Do a little mix real quick, 2.6. Then that small one should be full. Then yeah, that's basically, I have everything that I need for tomorrow's route. Everything's all fueled up, everything's good. So yeah, that's my little night routine. I do this every single night. The Sam's gas station closes at 9. And the gas there is cheap. That's where I buy my unleaded fuel, my premium fuel. And yeah, I try to get there before they close. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I'll go through Jobber, make sure I have all the tools needed for tomorrow's routes. You know, sometimes I'll need to take the ladder if I got to do a junk removal. So Jobber's pretty cool because of that. It keeps everything organized, and I like how it tells me the weekly revenue because it's like a challenge. I always try to go as high as I can. And if I want to hit 30K, that number has to say 7K a week. So I've been stuck in the 4 to 5K. I hit 5K yesterday, and man, we were working. It was tough, man. It's not easy. It's a lot of work. It really is. But yeah, I'm gonna try to add more landscaping projects to get that number higher. But man, it's going pretty good right now. It's raining outside, so I don't think I'm gonna mow tomorrow. So I'm just gonna have to push it till Saturday. I mean, that's how it goes sometimes. But it's all good. At least I'll get to rest, make some YouTube videos. So it's all good. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.